Ayaw mo pa ako i-kiss, ha?
Surprise! It's vlog time! Hey Mom, what are you doing?
I'm gonna make my special mac salad.
Yay!
Laging request talaga sa akin ang special mac salad ko. Diba, Alonzo? It's very easy to make. You just have to cook, chop, and
Combine.
here are the ingredients for easy reference. First, cook the macaroni. Then, chop at make sure pantay-pantay. Then, gather all the ingredients and...
Combine.
Okay, so we put this all here. All right. We combine all the other ingredients. Okay, carrots.
Carrots. Onions.
Pickles. And then
Pineapple.
what is this?
Shredded
Chicken.
chicken. And cheese.
Okay. And then we put a little bit of pepper. You put a little bit of salt, okay? We're gonna mix this. Don't forget a big dollop of...
Mary's choice.
We're going to...
Keep mixing, mix.
full force. And we are done. It's easy to make every occasion special with the Lady's Choice Creamy Chicken Mac Salad.
Like, share, and subscribe.